What's going on, YouTubers? In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate and teach y'all on how to use a flint striker to start a fire. Stay tuned. So, the most critically important step in this process is getting the right tinder going, okay? Or the right thing that's going to take the spark well, okay, for the flint starter. In this case, what I did is took a piece of cotton here and put some Vaseline on it, and I got some dryer lint here. This takes the spark really well, and this is what's going to get these leaves on fire as well. So we're just going to put this right here, okay? Check this out. There you go. So once this fire gets going like it is, then that's when you can gradually get your larger sticks and what to build a fire. So there it is. So I want to thank you all for watching. If this video helped you out, please subscribe to my channel. I have many more how-tos on how to survive, fix things, fishing, anything outdoor related. I'm your go-to channel. Thank you and peace out.